So you want to treat yourself, you love music, but you don't know what to buy? Well, I have here the Astell&Kern SP2000T. This is a digital audio music player, but it is the Rolls Royce of iPods. It costs $35.99. So yeah, it's pretty special. Built into this little guy is actually two different kinds of amps. There's a old school vacuum tube amp, which are those ones that kind of glow and get really warm and produce this incredibly sort of rustic or vintage old school sound that a lot of music lovers really get into. But it's got a super amazing normal digital amp as well, and you can actually put it into hybrid mode, which means that you can combine the two types of amps together to get that perfect sound effect. It'll play super high-res audio files, and you can send them either via Wi-Fi to your device, you can stream them, you can even use Bluetooth to stream music from your phone to this and then listen to it in the higher quality output that it has built into it. And actually it's got three different headphone jacks, all of different sizes, 2.5mm, 3.5mm, which is a normal size, and then 4.4 for connecting to really high-end audio devices. And it can really assign two DACs per channel to make sure that the sound that you listen to is just incredible. And also, one thing I love the most is that it comes in this beautiful wooden Astell&Kern box. You just plug it in, turn it on, and honestly listen to pretty much the best quality music that you've probably ever heard. Oh yeah, that warm vacuum tube sound, love it.